Welcome to all. This video to discuss the algae classifications. The classification proposed F.E. Fritz 1935 and 1945. The different classifications, the different family, the Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Basilaриophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, and Chromonania, Euglenoophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, and Mixophyceae. Then first one of the Chlorophyceae. The Chlorophyceae is the 425 genera and 6,500 species. The grass green in color with 4 pigments in same properties as that of higher plants. The storage food is starch and oil. The biorhinites are present. The cell wall is the cellulolytic. The motile cells with 2 are flagella. The chromatophores are few. The sexual reproduction varies from isogamy to oogamy. The thallus range is the unicellular to siphonous and heterotrichous. The except siphonals, the zygote represent the diploid phase. The many distributed in fresh waters with a tendency for terrestrial habitat. The orders of the Valvocales, Crococales, Elotricales, and Kelatophorals, Chetophorales, and Eudogonials, Conjugales, Siphonals, and Carels. Then another one is the Xanthophyceae. The Xanthophyceae is the 75 genera and 675 species. The chromatophores are yellow, green due to the excess of xanthophyll. The starch and biorhinites are absent. Oil is the storage product. The cell wall rich in pectin substance. Motile cells are 2 unequal flagella. The sexual reproduction rare in the presence of the isogamous. The thallus represents simple haploid filaments. They are mainly distributed in fresh water and the resting stage of the silicified membrane. Then these are the heterocolorotales and heterococcales and heterotrichales and heterosiphonales. Then another family is the Chrysophyceae, the golden algae. The 300 genera and 6,000 species. The brown orange colored chromatophores which one are many accessory pigments. There is a bicochrysine and fucoxanthin. The starch are absent. The biorhinoid like bodies are present. Fat and leucocines in the storage food. The large properties of the membrane are flagellate. They divide the cell membrane. Endogenous spherical silicide crust may be present. The filamentous may be branched. The sexual reproduction rare isogamous. They are mainly distributed in cold and fresh water. The few are marine water. Mode of nutrition as the holozoic. The holozoic means they are feeding on solid food particles. Then orders, these are the chrysomonotales. The chrysomonotales are microscopic unicellular organism which 1 or 2 flagellae. They may be motile or sessile and are often colonial. Some lack a solid case and are able to change the shape. It is the chrysophorales and chrysotrichales. Then Basilaриophyceae. The Basilaриophyceae is the 16,000 species and are 200 genera. The chromatophores are golden brown due to the presence of diatoms. Then is a unicellular. Then is a colonial and diploid. The cell wall made up of pectin and silica. They divide into 2 groups of the centrials and biennials. The centrals with the radial symmetry, the biennials with the bilateral symmetry. The central, what is the difference between the centrals and biennials? The centrals are the cylindrical disc-like shape. The biennials is the traditional. The heterocont algal known as the diatoms. These are named as the shape of the cell wall frustules. These are the biennials. Then these are the different pictures on these centrals and biennials. These are these organisms are the centrals. These organisms are mentioned to the biennials. Then is the Cryptophyceae, the blue-green algae. The blue-green algae is the parietal chromatophores biennial-like bodies present. The product of photosynthesis starch motile cells are torvi-central with the unequal flagellae. The vacuolar system is the complex. The reproduced is the isogamous 300 genera and 600 species. The Gryptomonates is added to the Gryptophyta is containing in the family of Gryptomonaceae and Heliaceae, the Gryptococcales. Then another one is the Dinophyceae. The Dinophyceae is the Dinoflagella, the motile unicell composed of cellulose envelope with numerous discoid chromatophores and the dark yellow, brown and product of photosynthesis starch and oil. The another group of parasitic motile cells with two furous and transverse flagellum, the mainly sea planktons 225 genera and 2000 species. The other to the desmonotiles and the decatales and dinophacials and dinococcales and dinotrichales and dinoflagellates. They are chloromonidinae. The motile cells with two equal flagella, they are recorded only in fresh waters. The numerous chromatophores with bright green tin and excess of xanthophyll. The binaries lacking the oil storage product only 7 genera and few species are the presence of the chromatone. The node adders, the very small classes, very highly specialized unicellular and flagellate algae. The Eugleniid is a mono or biflagellate forms seen mainly in fresh water. The isogamous reproductions, the chromatophores are the pure green, several binaries like bodies photosynthetic product. The 25 genera and 415 species. The small classes of very few families. The Phaeophyceae is the 250 genera and 1500 species. The cells contain brown chromatophores containing yellow fucocyanine and fucocyan vessels. The alternation of generation are present. These adders are the 8 classes or 8 adders. Then another one is the Rhodophyceae. Then 830 genera and 5250 species members are the Heterotrichus, which contain the chromatophores contain the phycoerythrin and phycoerythrin. The phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. The binaries like the storage are the present. The storage food is the Florideus. The no motile stage and flagellate. Then another one is the order is the Banziales and Animalians and Jellytails and Cryptomonials and and Gihanzials and Rhodomonials and Ceramials. Then another one is the Mixophyceae. The 150 genera and the 2500 species of the chloroplast are absent. The chlorophyll, carotenoid, phycocyanin, phycoerythrins are the present. The storage protects the sugars and glycogen. The vacuoles are very commonly present in the chromato. The orders are the 5 orders: the crococcales and chemosiphonals and lirocapsales and nastacales and stigonematodes. Then thallus organization, the different organizations, the unicellular motile stage and non-motile stage. These are the unicellular forms gain the helps to the motile and non-motile stage. The filamentous safe and the filamentous, these are the heterotrichus, these are the parenchymatous and simple siphonous, then polysiphonous and stem-like, leaf-like structures. These are the attached cortical and thallus. These are the different habitat of the Calodopora. Then Calodopora. Okay, thank you.